Hi, I'm Michael.
And I'm Grace.
And together we are
California Travel Videos and Beyond. We have landed on a slice of heaven, 9,000 feet up here in the rolling hills of San Isabel National Forest. This is the Buffalo Springs Campground. In this video, we will share with you the good, the bad, and some of the ugh.
We are so happy to have you join us, and we hope you'll stick around and find out more of the things we enjoyed most about this campground, as well as some of the pluses in the area. And be sure to subscribe and hit that bell if you'd like to travel with us together on our journey. We are in South Park City.
The home of South Park, the real home of South Park. So we're going to go ahead and explore.
And look at all these little shops here. I feel like we're here on Monopoly boards.
I know, this is fun.
And some facade fronts here. The Bank of Alma. We're not too far from the city of Alma.
And we're going to go visit this pottery store which brought us here because they have beads.
Ray says we must go there first, but she doesn't want to forget when she gets distracted with all these other things. But is it open? Keep going. Next one. This is the Lost Antler. They're apparently lost right now, but yeah, the pottery. You're looking for some.
Looks like it needs a repaint.
It does, but it's cute. They got the right idea, and we'll be seeing a lot more of that theme as we go through the town. Right now, in fact, right at the door. Got a window.
Oh, they've got pretty earrings.
Smells great in here, doesn't it? Hi.
You drive a Corolla, and it's alright. 'Cause baby, when you roll up, you make me feel like I'm 17, I'm your queen, one and only. And I'm all that you want, I'll make you feel like 17, stick with me, and you know.
Oh, I said we were in South Park. We're actually in Fairplay.
I'll make it better than ever. Baby, I'm good for you. You know I'm with you, whatever we do, with you, whatever. 'Cause you're good for me too.
Oh, here's all their beads, baby doll.
You just gotta relax.
Electroplate
I'll make
agate.
it alright.
Beautiful, aren't they?
Boy, you can't believe that. I'll make you feel like you're 17, you're my king, one and only. And you're all that I want, I'll make you feel like 17, stick with me, and you know it. This is where you belong.
The Buffalo Springs Campground is a short 12-mile drive from Fairplay, Colorado. Advanced reservations can be made through recreation.gov, or you can cross your fingers like us and do a walk-in.
Okay, it's time to negotiate. We are here at the Buffalo Campground at National Forest. It is not fully dispersed, but it is a National Forest Service. $20 per night. But those with a golden pass, and I do believe I have a golden pass. Now I'll pay that. What's this?
$10!
She gets by for 10 on her nights? Wow, how about that? Well, okay.
Yeah, I'll give you 5.
No. Are you kidding me? $10, one Hamilton will take care of the night.
Yay! And it's beautiful. And I won the bet that there's not another soul in sight. This area belongs to
What about
us.
this in sight? I'm looking up ahead there, and I
there
think
is a
I
camper
see
way down
that there is some kind, might be a tent camper.
Oops.
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 So we'll see how many are around. You want to look around once
Yeah,
before?
let's look around.
Okay, we'll do the loop first and then decide. Okay, this is exciting. We got trees. Our spot number 1, that would work. It's not too unlevel. We always like to level.
Uh-oh. I see 3.
Oh, honey.
Little teardrop. Lonely teardrop.
I guess 10 spots, and that there would be 2 being used. Okay, now we're up
they
to
got
3.
bathrooms too. Little bolt toilet and a garbage can.
Yeah, got our vaulted toilets there and a garbage.
Is this one over there? I
Another
think that's the
garbage.
one I want.
Oh, you like to be by the bathrooms. Oh, look at, they got a fire pit there.
I like that one.
I think
What
that's
number
going to
is
get the ticket.
Right there on the...
Yeah, this one's got a little unlevel.
Yeah,
And this one's nice and, oh, and it's a double width. We only need single, but yeah, it looks level too.
It's number 9.
Oh, number 9.
Water.
Oh, that's just a spot to get water, I guess. Yeah. Okay, and another toilet. Maybe that's a shared one with the other area.
So we'll go back and give the $10 and take spot number 9.
Number 9 it is. That's our story and we're sticking to it.
It's almost impossible to believe that for $10 a night we have all this serenity. We have a generator, we have solar, we have an inverter. We could probably stay here for at least 5 days before our water would run out. So the National Forest Service, 2 thumbs up. What we got? Is that a squirrel or is it a chipmunk? I'm not sure. And what have you got here? The guard dog. Will he let me in? So let's talk about cell phone service. There is no AT&T, nor is there any Verizons. However, there is a bright spot. Starlink works great. So today's Friday the 11th, and we're taking a little walk around the beautiful campground here at Buffalo Springs. And it looks like 18 is open. And guess what, folks? We have found the best kept secret of Buffalo Springs. You would almost think that this has to be group camping because the spot is going way, way back. You can see where this picnic table is coming up. I mean, you could easily get, a good 3 or 4 tents and an RV in here. Have a family gathering. Like I would park the RV right here. And then we have this nice little area for cooking if we want to, or a fire. And if this isn't reason enough to find that it's absolutely the best spot, look what was left here for us. You see it? Look at that. It's all carved out already. It's got the eyes, the nose, and the mustache. Yeah, I think I'm taking that home. And that's to say nothing about these views. Michael was checking it out, and you got all this open space, this beauty, and it's great for Starlink. You've got great open exposure to the north. Perfect spot. Come on, boy. Let's go.
Boy.
Within San Isabel National Forest, there are plenty of activities one can do, such as biking, hiking, horseback riding, and even rock climbing. We're going to go ahead now and enjoy our e-bikes. One thing you can always count on is uncertainty. So the road that brought us here to Buffalo Springs goes on about another 8 miles. It's a dirt road. And so we finally have gotten our bikes out again. And lo and behold, it's raining, it's pouring, the old man ain't snoring.
Well, we're getting ready to take a ride out here at Buffalo Springs, and I think it's the Wet Springs. That's one way to keep the dirt down, isn't it?
Yeah.
Our bikes had a lot of dust on them. We wiped them off, but I think they're going to get a bath. So how are we going to
litigate this?
litigate this? Yes.
Very carefully. Besides, I need a shower. It's been 3 days.
Like that.
I'm not afraid of a little rain.
Well, I did bring some umbrellas just in case there. I think I've got them so they won't fall off. Okay, I think we are off. Some of us are further off base than others. And so I believe this is Buffalo Springs, even though I think they're only supposed to be bison, but we haven't seen buffalo or bison, have we?
I don't know. We've got about 6 to 8 miles we can move this direction. Let's see what we find.
Okay, I'll follow your leader.
We're just an animal trying to steal our home.
Can you help me? I'm just an animal trying to rest my bones. Oh.
How is our bike going to do across this serious grate? I'm going to try it. Oh, it's not that at all.
Let's not come scratching around all this here iron.
Continuing to go up a grade, and the droplets are increasing.
You mean to say the grass and the dirt and the oldest river snow?
Salt Creek Trail straight ahead. Lynch Creek Trail straight ahead. Weston Pass Road to the right. And with this hill, I shouldn't have stopped. You better get your going. Get you going, honey. Giddy up. Look at her. I think you want to go to the left. Uh-oh, I shouldn't have stopped here. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh, my front wheel's coming off the ground when I buck it. Whew. Okay, I agree. We're not tired. It's just photo op time. It is. How are you doing so far?
Windshield wipers.
Oh yeah, that.
It's all a game when you're born on the right side.
Taking a little break to warm up our hands.
Yeah, it feels nice to be getting a little closer in the lower elevation, but with that breeze coming up, it's still a little chilly.
Your hair is all standing up straight on your arm. Look at that.
And you can see where down here where this is damp and this is drier, so we started there. When that was enough, we went for the tree well. Okay, hopefully not too slippery.
It's all a game when you're born on the right side of the road.
Total ascent 966 feet. We are 10,112 feet. And guess what? It's starting to rain. And I don't know if it's going to snow up here, but it's getting pretty wet. Well, we finished the trail. We're coming back through the campground, and looks like every one of the campsites, all 18 of them, will be filled. We do get some cancellations. That's how we were able to get ours for this weekend, was that it was a reservation that had been canceled. So our lucky day, we were able to find one. Otherwise, we'd probably be about 100 miles past Denver by now. Our new home.
I love our home. I love our home.
Me too. Woo! That was a good workout, honey. Congratulations.